Hello and welcome to my channel about Unity development. Today I'm going to talk about Unity VFX. In recent years, Unity has become an essential tool for a company to make valuable AR/VR experience in the AEC industry. And Unity wants to do something about this, so they invented Unity VFX. I personally have spent some time with using Unity VFX because of work related. So I'm going to do 10 questions and answers about Unity VFX. Let's go! What is Unity VFX? Unity VFX is the solution that Unity has come up with for the AEC industry. It bridges the gap between live CAD data, including 3D meshes, and Unity, which you can either use Unity default VFX viewer, or you can develop a custom viewer that suits your need. I was told that Autodesk actually had to change the fundamental code structure in order to make it work, which it sounds very promising to me, and really want to make this work with Unity. It currently supports Revit, Rhino, and SketchUp for now, but it will support more software in the near future. What is the traditional process of handling CAD data, and why Unity VFX is a game changer in the AEC industry? Traditionally, people will have to either make a separate model or take existing model from CAD data software and optimize it in software like 3ds Max Studio. This is a painful process, as I have done it a few of them before. Also, you will lose all the metadata that link across the model. You will have to find a separate way to implement the metadata into Unity. What is the process when using Unity VFX? First, you install Unity VFX using Unity Hub, and that install a plugin for your softwares. Next, create Unity project and make sure it's set up as a Unity project online. Then you can upload the CAD data to the Unity project online. The viewer will need you to log in your Unity account and download the data. How big the CAD model can be? I was told that someone has done a CAD model of an airport with VFX, and it probably can handle much larger scenes. However, at the end of the day, you will still need a powerful machine to run the viewer if you have a very large model. How fast can a viewer detect the changes on the CAD software and make it available on the viewer during live sync? Based on my experience, it is really fast. I was told that Unity will only request and send the changes data to the viewer without having to re-download the whole model. Can you upload multiple CAD models into one single Unity project? Yes, you can, but as far as I can remember, currently there is no way to remove CAD data or model from Unity project, so if you make a mistake, you will have to create a new Unity project. Is there a viewer on every single popular platform? As far as I am aware, is that Unity has a desktop, iOS, and Android version. And as for VR Oculus headset and devices like HoloLens, Unity is still working on how to make the whole experience better. But it doesn't stop you to make a viewer of those platforms and start it right away. What else can you do apart from importing model into the viewer? You can also import the CAD model into the Unity editor as a static model and then work on it. Do you need to have any programming skill if you want to use Unity VFX? Not necessary if you only want to use the Unity default viewer. If you would like to have custom features, then you will need to either make one in Unity editor yourself or hire someone to make one for you. Has Pipsy got anything to do with Unity VFX? No, Pipsy has nothing to do with Unity VFX. That is all of the questions and answers, and also everything I know about Unity VFX. If you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit a like on this video. I hope I can see you soon. Goodbye.